We've all been there. You're looking for a professional sear, but you end up with a gray, rubbery steak. It's not your heat, it's your pan. At Wade Media Labs, we developed the crust consistency test to identify why most pans are actually steaming your food instead of searing it. We subjected 10 leading skillets to a high-output thermal audit. We measured surface humidity and vapor pressure during the first 60 seconds of contact to see how effectively a pan sheds moisture. The results exposed a major design flaw. High sidewalls create a convection shadow, trapping evaporated moisture against the meat. Instead of a Maillard reaction, you get a localized steam bath. Searing requires extreme thermal inertia. If your pan's temperature crashes when the meat hits the metal, the surface moisture can't evaporate fast enough, resulting in a failed crust. Only 3 pans passed our audit with a perfect crust consistency score. These winners utilized low-profile geometry and high-density metallurgical bonding to ensure rapid vapor escape and stable heat delivery. Geometry is the hidden variable in every meal. In the workshop of the kitchen, if your pan can't breathe, your food can't sear. See the full humidity logs, the thermal recovery charts, and our 3 crust consistency champions at cookwarescout.com.